Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your DOSS SoundBox Plus speaker with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, you have to power on your speaker by using the power button, and it's located on this side. So just click on it once, and this light will just turn on the front, on this upper section of the screen, on the speaker. And as you can see, in my case, these indicators are blinking like red and blue, so it means that we are in the pairing mode. But if you don't have this pairing mode enabled, you can just click and hold for the 5 seconds on this button until you hear the notification sound. Just click and hold. There we go. And then you just have to go to the settings on your iOS device, go for Bluetooth, turn it on by tapping on this switcher, and select your SoundBox Plus speaker from the list. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.